How to fix content that can't be recommended option not showing or reels not recommended issues on Instagram. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, you will have to check your account status. In order to do that, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Once you are in your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down till you see the account type option available there, and all you have to do is tap on it. Once you tap on it, make sure to switch to professional account. Once you switch to professional account, you should see content that can't be recommended. And now once done so, go back to the settings and privacy again. Then scroll down and tap on the account status. And once you tap on it, here you will get to see content that can be recommended. Your account can't be recommended right now, and all you have to do is tap on the CY option available there and delete or edit the violating post. Then go to the App Store and search for the Instagram app available here. Then all you have to do is tap on the Instagram from the list of the apps. Then tap on the update option available there. Older versions may hide the content that can be recommended setting due to UI change. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.